Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. When x approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and here. So we have 0 over 0. And we can apply F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one that is about number 1. This one that is about number 2 over 1 plus 4x squared. 4x squared that is about 2x, everything to the power of 2. Now we put number 0 cone here. And we have the final answer that is about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.